Welcome, in front of me I have Motorola Edge 20, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So at the first we have to prepare a few things. The good source of light, because we have to see a very mess that we have on display. As you can see in my case, I can find a lot of fingerprints and other stuff. It's some kind of a piece of dust. So there's the first very important thing. The second one, for sure, we have to open our tempered glass. And also in the box we can find two wipes. There's the wet and the dry. And we are going to start from the wet one. So let's make it right now. Open it just like that. And unfortunately it's not wet, it comes dry. So let me just put some kind of the window cleaner on it, and I will be back soon. Okay, so as you can see right now I have here this wipe and the window cleaner, and I'm going to apply it a little bit on the wipe. Right now it's wet and we can finally clean our screen, so we have to make the moves in the circle. We have to remember to reach a very corner and edge. So you have the same problem that the wet wipe is not wet. You can apply on it some kind of the cleaner. Okay, right now when it's finished we can grab this dry wipe, and clean screen also. Okay, and as you can see right now our display looks definitely better, so we can finally remove this foil from tempered glass. And then we can put glass just like that. Let's keep holding the bottom part. We can turn on the screen. Okay, it looks not that bad. Keep holding in this place and then put the bottom part. Oh, I just messed up. Let me just remove it and put it another time. Okay, I think that right now it looks better. Take a look right now. As you can see, it goes automatically, so you don't even have to press on the screen. Right now you can just finally make it with your wipe. And as you can see, we successfully applied tempered glass on display in the smartphone. And as you can see, it was very simple. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.